Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung Soundbar Q600C. This soundbar is 3.12 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Dolby Atmos. This soundbar got 9 speakers inside with 360 watts audio power, adaptive/optimized audio, 4K pass-through. This will help to bring cinematic experience to your home. You will hear every whoosh, bang, and spin chilling creaks in 3D surround sound, just like director intended. It is like being at a movie without constant distraction of someone eating snack behind you. With 9 built speakers carefully tuned by Samsung Audio Lab. You have Adaptive Sound 2.0, uses AI to automatically tweak the sound based especially on what you are watching. The 6.5 subwoofer produces a rich and powerful bass. So you have Game Pro mode. It uses directional audio to put you smack bang in the middle of action. Voice enhancement mode boosts the dialogue so that it's easier for you to hear the music or the sound effect. The built-in center speaker lets you hear every word of dialogue, so you won't miss a single detail. So this gear will help to elevate your cinematic experience, home cinema setup. So key 4 features for this soundbar: Dolby Atmos, 3D sound delivered by Dolby Atmos, 9 speakers, elevate your home cinema set, Q Symphony, get more sound from your Samsung TV and soundbar working together, adaptive sound tailored to your entertainment with scene-based tuning, DTX. So in terms of connectivity, connect to Bluetooth, connect this wireless soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. You can also connect using optical cable and HDMI. Optional pairing with Samsung SWA/9200S wireless rear speaker kit. So you can connect wireless rear speaker kit, but you need to get the particular one. Preset mode, so you have voice enhancement, night mode, surround sound expansion, Game Pro, adaptive, and standard. We're going to check this soundbar out. Connectivity is Bluetooth 4.2. Input HDMI EAC, optical, output HDMI, and USB. So we're going to check this out. Soundbar is 200 watts, subwoofer is 160. In terms of dimension, soundbar is 56, height is 56, weight is 1030, diameter is 105 millimeter. Subwoofer 343, the height is 343 millimeter, the weight is 184 millimeter, and diameter is 295. Now we're going to check this out and see what is inside. This is the soundbar here. See what it looks like. Got metal in front of it. This end and this end is metal. At the back is plastic. This is information pack, power cables, remote control, battery, and wall mount are in here. This is the subwoofer. So this is the subwoofer here, 6.5 inch. This is the power cable. Connect it. So this power cable goes to the subwoofer. This one with bend goes to the subwoofer. Push it in. Connect it to the power. Then take the second power cable. Connect it to the soundbar. Take the second power cable. Then connect it to this part and push it in. Then take this end and connect it to the soundbar. Go to the back of the soundbar and connect it to DC power cable to DC 24. So this is where the power cable goes. Push it in. Then before we do that, at the back here, so you have the ports. So the port, you have optical, HDMI, TV, ARC, and HDMI. So the ports are here. The power cable goes in here. No USB, and the power cable on this side. So take the power cable, connect it to DC, plug it on to the socket, and you can see the subwoofer is currently flashing blue. Once it's connected, it will be a steady. So once you switch the soundbar on, the subwoofer will link up together. Now take the remote control, push it down, take the battery, the battery on your right side. On your right side, the negative goes on top, the positive on the bottom one. So on the right side, negative on top, the positive on the bottom. Then on the left side, negative on the bottom, the positive on the top. So the negative will be on the top, on the left, the positive on the top, and the negative on the bottom. Then slide the cover back up. So this is the wall mount. And this is information pack. So these are the stuff included in the packaging. To set this soundbar up, use the remote control and switch it on. It's showing us DG in. Now I need to select Bluetooth. Once you select Bluetooth, it will show you BT pairing. So it's currently showing us BT pairing. Now we're going to connect this soundbar using the laptop. So if you go to your laptop settings, switch Bluetooth and devices, go to Bluetooth and devices. Then switch Bluetooth on, then add a device. Select Bluetooth, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Look for Samsung Soundbar Q600C series audio. Then you select on it, connecting and disconnected audio. Then you select done. Now we're going to test the audio using Upbeat sound. Adaptive. From this remote control, the first button on the top is for you to switch this soundbar on and off. This second one is the input or source. Press to select source connected to the soundbar. So use this to select optical or HDMI. This is Bluetooth ready. Switch the soundbar to Bluetooth pairing mode. This is Bluetooth. Then you have up and down and right. So you have up and down and right, left and right. So you have up and down and left and right. The center one is pause and play. Then this button is mute button. This button is sound mode. You can select the desired sound effect. So if you select the sound mode, it shows you game, adaptive, standard, surround. So it's currently in surround. This button is volume increase, soundbar volume. If you push it up, you increase the volume. If you push it down, you decrease the volume. This is subwoofer. If you push it up, you increase the number. So you can see the subwoofer is increasing. The maximum is +6. If you decrease it, the minimum is -12. Currently +2. So this button is for soundbar volume. You can see it's volume 12. This is volume 3 currently. Now this is information button. Press to display the information about the active function. So you press, it will show you the connection. It's showing us the phone that is connected. So the connection, the soundbar is currently connected. So we connected this soundbar via Bluetooth. Now this button is channel level. When pressed, the settings, center level and top level are displayed in sequence. The desired setting can be adjusted using up and down. So when you select the channel level, you select channel level, it will show you channel level. Then use up and down to adjust the particular one, how you want it according to your preference. Sound control, press the setting, the voice enhancement, night mode, on and off, and sync and visual on and off are displayed in sequence. The desired setting can be adjusted using up and down. So when you press the sound control, it will display. You can see it's showing us voice enhancement. So then use up and down to switch it on. You can see voice enhancement is off. You select it again, voice enhancement is on. Now it's showing us night mode. So you select up, night mode is off, night mode is on. This button is tone control. When pressed, the treble and bass are displayed in sequence. Then use up and down to control it. So now if you press this, this is treble, then use up to adjust it. The treble is to +6, goes all the way to -6. So the treble is currently a +4. Then if you press tone control again to bass, then use up to increase the bass to +6. The bass goes all the way to -6. So we'll leave the bass in +2 at the moment. So you can select this how you want it. I'm happy with this soundbar. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed. And stay blessed. Thank you.